Okay, so I thought I would come back with another makeup video. I like to mix it up on my channel and not do like consecutive of the same type of video. I don't know. Anyway, today I'm gonna play with the Through My Eyes palette by iluvsarahii x Colourpop. Yeah, I bought this when it first came out, but I still haven't used it, just like all my other palettes. So, you know, using YouTube as an excuse to use all of these palettes that I'll probably never pick up again. So today I kind of wanted to do a smoky liner look, but I noticed that there honestly aren't that many browns in this palette, so I thought I would do it using these like purple shades that are in the palette. So I'm probably gonna use this one, and like this one as like a transition or something. But yeah, so to start off, I'm gonna go into Sandalwood. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Nostalgia. I'm gonna start building that up on the lash line. Now I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and go back into the same shade. So I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. So then what I'm going to do next with the same brush is same brush, same shade. I'm going to pack it on like that, and then I'm gonna start taking it in the corner and putting it into the crease like that. So I'm gonna take this fluffier brush and I'm gonna just tap it lightly into Nostalgia. So I'm gonna go into Misbehave with the same like liner brush. gonna go back into Nostalgia with the pencil brush, and then I'm gonna blend this shade out as well. So it's just kind of like building up. So it's like starting off light and then building up darker colors and blending them out until they kind of look smoky. So actually I didn't even realize that this would probably be easier, but like as I said, it's just with every makeup look, it's just kind of like go as you want. But I took this fluffier brush and I just ran it over, and it was just like much easier to do it. Yeah, so I just kind of do this. So now I'm gonna go with the darkest purple in the palette, and it's gonna be this color right here, the Vina. And I'm just gonna go in with the same liner brush and kind of do the same thing that I've been doing, except this time I'm gonna be, when I lay down the color and when I kind of like do the outline of the liner, I'm gonna be much more precise. Since this is the darker color, you kind of want to be a little bit more careful because you can mess up more easily with this. So yeah, I'm not gonna wing it out yet. I think before I wing it out, I'm gonna just take my pencil brush and kind of softly, slowly blend it out. Just because I kind of want to be more careful with this one, and I kind of like the shape I have going on with the shadow right now, so. Okay, so now that I blended it out, I'm going to add the wing with the same dark shade. So then I added the wing, but I still kind of want to blend it out so that even at the wing it still looks smoky. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna go into Nostalgia, this shade right here, with the same pencil brush, and I'm just gonna continue to blend. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Nostalgia again on the pencil brush. I'm just going to put that down just on the outer part. And this is the e.l.f. Moonlit Pearls. God, I'm sorry if I just keep serving the Thea vibes with my bangs. I really don't mean it, but maybe I do. Maybe I want to be your rich, independent, single Thea. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you liked this makeup look once again. And watch my other videos if you haven't already. And subscribe. I hate asking people to subscribe to my channel because if you want to come back and you want to watch my videos, then do it. I'm not forcing you to.